Hello. Today I'm going to show you the AVTEC kitchen equipment, model number MWDGA. Okay, serial number. When you call in for help, you always give them the serial number, which is the W290458-1-1. And this is 50 amps. So it has a 50 amp breaker, which controls the whole kitchen equipment here. All the plugs back there on this kitchen are controlled there. And those wires you see there are up there connected, which go back to the panel. I have it on now because I'm finished, but I wanted to show you how it's done because other people have asked me how this is done for kitchen equipment. So always remember, I'm gonna put my light on there for you, that the black is the ground, brown, and then that brown wire comes to this connector here, which goes to the panel override button, manual override button, if you can see it. Now I labeled the breaker on here so I know which one it is. Circuit 13. I turned it off over there, but for now I have it on. So the brown is ground on this board, red is power, as you can see it's red over here. Orange is soft, it goes to the gas, and then and yellow goes to the manual button over there, and one goes to the light. The other yellow goes to the light. And as you see here, there's the yellow to the horn, and the LED light is the ground power. So that's the power, where this orange, which you saw back here, it's like a ground button. But there's that board right there, that little board right there, is the brains, and it tells it that when you push this button right here, that yellow button, when you push it, it turns off the noise, which is up there, the gas valve, which releases the gas to turn off suppression fire. You see that? So for the AVTEC board, that's how you connect it. Please always remember that they have to land this way, the wire. So I never connect this first, but know the yellow is the ground on the horn. It's the power on the horn. Brown is the ground on the horn, and the horn is basically that button, the reset button, which comes up and tells the board, it signals this horn right here, right there, to horn. And then from the panel board, it comes at the relay. But the relay, if you see that relay, from there it comes here. Orange is ground, and red, which you see up there, is hot. And then red, what gives it power, is this white red wire. And then black is ground, and yellow is the gas shut off reset, which you see here, which the override button. Once this yellow hits up there where I showed you, it tells it to shut up, it tells the horn to shut up, it tells the gas that it's safe to operate. So that's important. So I'm going to put this back together here. Hopefully it won't blow on me, but it shouldn't, because I did it right. And I'm going to put it all back together for you here, so you can see how it's done. And if you ever have any questions, know that that yellow button right here turns it off. So I'm going to put it all back together. I hope this AVTEC video was helpful to you. Know that that's how it operates. That's the only way it can operate. Or not, if you wire it wrong, if you connect the brown or the orange to the wrong wire, you will blow it. Bah! You will blow the brains. So I work with several gas and manual shut off and shunt trip breakers. They have what they call shunt trip breakers. That have a wire that sends it back, or sends an electrical charge to the breaker to tell it to shut off, and it opens the circuit automatically. So what the breaker works is a contactor to allow that to happen. So it's very interesting how this works. Very great designers of this board. I really like the system. But like I said, there's various other systems that I like. Some are more complex, some are more simple. The AVTEC I found it to be very user friendly if you do it right. But you have to be an electrician to do this, or I recommend you use an electrician to do this. If you want to do yourself, go ahead. But with this video, it should be helpful. Just know that you cannot cross the yellow wire with the brown wire, or the yellow wire with the orange wire. The orange and the brown are grounds. And if you get them wrong on those relays, you'll blow the relay board. So it has to go ground on top, power, which is 24 volt to 120. This, for example, this one's 120. And then you have the answer button, which is this yellow, which is the yellow wire, which shoots up to the to the gas to shut it off. That's very important that you do that. And then you got your ground to this board, which is brown. And if you get those two confused, it's simple, it won't blow. You can just flip them around and they'll land right. But if you land them on one of the hots, which is the orange or the other yellow, bah, you'll blow it. So don't do that. I hope this video was very helpful to you. With the AVTEC, this is Freddie America, helping you enjoy another way to set up a board. And you can also test it with your own reader to find out which is ground and which is hot. Thank you very much. Just make sure if you're reading 120, you shouldn't be reading 120 and put a ground on a 120. Thanks.